Hello, it's Erin. I have a newborn baby and one toddler, so I will keep using the voiceover, so you don't hear my baby's dancing music. I wanted to let you know that the Brizy Cloud is now available as a lifetime deal again in a few days. If you missed the deal the last time, this is a chance. What is Brizy? Brizy is an easy website builder software. They have two different versions, WordPress and Cloud. If you know how to use WordPress, the Brizy plugin will be your best friend to design each page. Everything is the drag and drop. You can choose their pre-built design or start from a blank. Brizy Cloud is a web-based. You will use all their advanced features and hosting on their cloud. There is no need to update the files to another hosting. All you need is to connect your domain name to Brizy Cloud and hit update after each design is done. Why Brizy? I have been using and testing so many website builder software. Some website builders need more features to use for clients. Site speed is extremely slow, abandoned, and the support team sucks. Brizy is not included in any of these issues. I am personally using the Brizy to offer a design service and hosting as a bonus. What are the benefits of checking this lifetime deal? Brizy Cloud lifetime updates and VIP support are now offering a lifetime deal. Yes, there is no recurring payment. It's a one-time fee and keeps your account forever. They have 3 different plan options: Personal Cloud, Freelancer Cloud, and Agency Cloud. If you are a website designer, we recommend getting the Agency Cloud, which will give you the Whitelabel option. The Brizy team will create a separate account, so the Brizy brand will be hidden completely. Moreover, you can use 5 publishing options to connect your own domain names. Download HTML plus CSS files, and connect to other hosting services within a few clicks. With the Cloud lifetime deal, you will save tons of money on the website. How do I know? They constantly increase the monthly recurring payments every year. They frequently update the new features and fix bugs in a few hours. They are now working on an e-commerce feature. Then, Brizy will be a superstar. You can visit their Facebook group. Users are super active. We all discuss so many different topics each day. If you are interested in getting the Brizy Cloud, this is the perfect timing to keep it for a lifetime. You will find the link in the description. Thank you for watching. I will keep posting something very cool about products and software deals. Please subscribe to my channel to never miss out on the most current deals.